Dois o Bairro Vatai Ana Dyson Sunina Kai
That right there says departures, arrivals. We're in this really busy area of Macau by the border. This goes to China, so those tall buildings over there are all on the China side, and you can walk across through this border gate right here. And this is kind of the start of it. You have to walk all the way there, and the crowds are just thick departures, arrivals. But our target street is going to be down that way, so we're going to walk down to that, and we'll show you. But let's put this up on the map first. Slice of Macau up on the map. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. Yeah, lots of people here going to the border. So we're going to be going down these Va Thai neighborhoods. Ooh, ice cream cones? Oh, different random stuff. She's filming me, I think, or she's filming the crowds. Okay, so we have kind of stuff going both directions, to the left and to the right. And then over this area, we're going to be going down the street to the right in a moment once we kind of navigate a little bit. The amount of people, it's crazy. Okay. So not too long ago we filmed this is called the Trace, the 3rd street of this neighborhood. So we filmed this one earlier, we filmed that one. We're gonna go to another one. So so if you can always catch some of those other ones if you want to catch them. But this is gonna be in the same neighborhood, this Va Thai. I put them up separately, different videos. So you can see the 3rd, number 3. It's in Chinese and Portuguese, so it'll say 3. So we're gonna go to one that's number 2. This will make sense once we get there, and we're gonna be there in about 20 seconds. It's right here. So that's gonna be where we're gonna film this whole area. Look at all these people right here. There's people everywhere in here. I don't even know what they're all looking at. That's our street right there, the hood Dois. So that's number 2. And everybody's kind of looking down here. So let's just see. So I think they have all this commerce. They have liquor, wine, random stuff. So let's just try to get in here and see. So we're gonna I think there's also a lot of stuff going on in here, so there might be you know, a lot of people will buy stuff and pack up their suitcases and repack it in the streets before they go over. Yeah, pallets and pallets of stuff that they're selling. I don't know what's legal or what's illegal. I just have no idea. Look at all these tons of Apple computers. But yeah, it's like so much commerce. It's kind of interesting. There's all people live up in these areas too. And I have no idea what's legal or illegal or anything, so I'm just filming the public street. But yeah, I do see a lot of people will buy a bunch of stuff and just pack up their suitcases as much as they can. Lots of cardboard. Other people will pick up this cardboard and break it down and make money off of that as well. There's just like tons and tons of pallets everywhere. Lots of people will be restocking their suitcases. You'll see that everywhere. So this neighborhood just is filled with it. So I think she's actually probably gonna break down all these and put them into these pallets because they're just bringing in, you know, tons and tons of stuff to sell. Liquor and wine. Okay, so this is kind of the middle of our neighborhood. So this is a street that breaks it into the middle. That's street number 1, right over that way. This is 2, and over there is 3 going that way. I don't even know how these cars get in here. Okay. So yeah, I got tons of people. They're all kind of repackaging their suitcases and their bags and everything like that. Over here we got more pallets. Yeah, more people repackaging their bags. Suitcases everywhere. Bags, suitcases, all kinds of stuff being sold. This street, this car just blocked the road. Mobile phone repair. I wouldn't trust those shops. Hello, how are you doing? I've heard sometimes the phone repair shops, they just kind of use like not new stuff, right? Like all used old stuff repair. Okay, so anyways, now we're kind of at the base of our street. So that's the Dois. And I think I'm just going to give some context to this by going up here. So this is the Trace Street number 3. This is interesting right here. In Portuguese, it's something about prison. I think it was something. It's kind of cold today, 14 degrees Celsius, December weather. Never came back. Then up here, what's kind of interesting is they got like tons of suitcases in here. They're all kind of locked and chained. So I guess people leave this stuff here, fill it up, lock it up, go get more. He's kind of laughing. And okay, so anyways, there's the departure. So that's where all the people are going, down that way. So that's another slice. So now we're back kind of up on the, like a black and white tile, more Portuguese vibe street. And we're gonna end it. So there we go. Another slice of Macau.